National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Shelby County, southwestern Logan County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near DeGraff, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty, DeGraff, Quincy, Fort Jefferson, McMorran, Maplewood, Loganville, and Pemberton.